Hi everybody, let's start our foundations warm up for today. A apple A safe A. E ed E p E. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. U up U mule U rule oo. Fantastic. And now for our standard card practice. A apple A safe A. E ed E p E. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. U up U mule U rule oo. WH W. SH sh. ONG ong. ONK onk. N. Great job. And last but not least, our trick word, race. Let's see if you can beat me reading these trick words. Here we go. From, have, do, does, would, could, should, her, over, number. Great job, my friends. Did you beat me on many? If you did, good for you. Okay, we are going to do a word of the day and then a dictation today. So watch as I build today's word of the day. All right, take a look. What does the word say? That's right, it says tape. What kind of vowel do we have? A long vowel or a short vowel? Yeah, it's a long A sound. And what kind of syllable do we have? Yeah, watch me mark this. We scoop the syllable and we know it's a vowel consonant E. So we cross off that E and put the macron over the A. Tape. Who can use tape in a sentence for me? Go ahead, give it a try. I need tape to wrap a present. I am going to put tape over your mouth so you can't talk. Just kidding, I would never do that. There's something called duct tape. Good. There's scotch tape, all different kinds of tape. Also, what about like to videotape? I'm going to videotape you doing something, record you. Okay, so our sentence for our notebooks is going to be, I need more tape. So tape can be a thing, right? You can hold it. It can be a thing you hold, or it could be an action. You could tape something. So it can be a subject or part of the predicate. In this sentence, it's part of the subject. It's a noun, a thing. I need more tape. I would like you to find your student notebook, whether it's pink or green, and find the vocabulary and find the letter T, and you need to enter the word tape, mark it, and put my sentence. So pause on this screen to get your notebook and enter this in. Okay, if you're back, you must be done. If not, pause and do it. All right. So we are going to be doing a dictation. And for today's dictation, I would like you to please do it on your paper, okay? Most of you have notebook paper from your teachers. If you don't, it's okay. You can use normal paper or you could use your whiteboard. But it's good to some days practice on the paper that looks like this. Okay, it has the lines and it marks up sounds, words, and all of that. Okay, so try to find that. And then when you are ready, I'm going to give you, we're going to start with some sounds. 3 sounds. Repeat after me. W. Write all the ways to do W. We'll do all 3 sounds and then I'll show you mine to check. Don't forget, you have that notebook that you can look up things if you're stuck. You can look up the sounds with the pictures and the rules. Okay, number 2. U. U like mule, the long U sound. And number 3. I. Okay, check yours to mine. You should have W and WH say W. U-E says U. And I says I. It's the short I sound. Okay, now let's go into the review words. Okay, here's your first word. And they're going to be review words, so they won't necessarily be vowel, consonant, E. It can be anything we've already learned. Here's the first word. Cramps. When she runs, she gets cramps. What's the base word? Cramp. Let's tap out cramp. Am, p. Write cramp and then make it say cramps. Pause until you're done with cramps. And then let's do spills. She spills her juice a lot. What's the base word? Spill. Tap out spill. S-p-i-l. Write spill, then make it say spills. Okay, when you're done with cramps and spills, I want you to underline the base word, circle the suffix. Both words have a blend. Mark the blend. One word has a bonus letter. Mark the bonus letter. And one word has a glued sound with a blend. Mark that as well. And then check all of that to mine. Cramps, spills. Fix up any mistakes you made. Okay, now let's do 2 current words. Repeat after me. Prune. Have you ever eaten a prune? Let's tap it out. Prune. P-r-oon. Write prune. Pause until you're done. When you're done with prune, I want you to mark the blend and mark the syllable type. Check it to mine when you're ready. Prune. PR blend and a long U that says ooh. And number 2, lake. Let's swim in the lake. Tap it out. O-A. And mark the syllable type when you're done. Check it to mine and fix it up. And let's read everything we've written so far. Cramps, spills, prune, lake. Nice job. Next, we're going to come right here to do 2 trick words. Repeat after me. Does. For number 1, write does. Number 2, each. You can look those up in your student notebook under trick words if you're not sure, or if you want to check them. Each. Okay, check them to mine. Does, each. And last but not least, we have our sentence. Repeat after me. My friend will take the flag down. My friend will take the flag down. We have 7 words. My is a trick word. Friend is a trick word. Will, you can tap out. My friend will. Take, you can tap out. The is a trick word. Flag, you can tap out. And down is a trick word. My friend will take the flag down. Pause to write your sentence. Okay, if you're back, can you please check that you started with an uppercase letter and you ended with a period? Check that first. Fix it if you need to. Okay, next let's check all the trick words, all the circled ones. Check them in your notebook if you're not sure. There's no reason to get them wrong. You just have to take your time. Okay, if you're sure that you have them right, I'll show you mine. Make sure all 4 of them are right. My friend, the down. Okay, my friend will. Tap out what you wrote for will. Make sure it really says will. Will. Did you remember the bonus L? Fix it up if you need to. My friend will take. I hear a long A sound, so I know it's got to have an E on the end. Ache. My friend will take the flag. Tap out what you wrote for flag. G. Okay, check yours to mine. Let's scoop it and read it. My friend will take the flag down. My friend will take the flag down. Fix up anything you need to fix up, and let's read the whole page one more time. Cramps, spills, prune, lake, does, each. My friend will take the flag down. I want you to practice reading it by yourself before you clean up for the day. Great job!